Which other thing I fit to describe am
Don't
again?
do it. Don't make my head don't too big. Not come boss now.
And the album just released and bless us about a week. About a week ago.
Yeah.
Today
Yes,
week
about a
week.
week ago, yes.
Yeah, before you wake up, waiting you want tell us. Sorry. Before we fall asleep.
We fall asleep.
No, let him be the person. No, you don't.
Now they
confuse
call
me.
a good song before you wake up.
Okay, before you fall asleep.
Yeah.
Before you wake up, before you fall asleep. What did they happen? Okay, we'll make the connection later, though. Now, the first artist to actually, hold listening session. Why tell everybody may they come on their pajamas? Like the first thing when I first hear that invite, I be like, what's it on our plans? Like, do you know pajamas some are transparent? We got the one and only Johnny Drille for the beauty. Welcome,
Yes,
bro.
Thank you, Baba. Good to be here.
But I just want to know right now, how did Johnny do be for you, Johnny Drille?
I mean, to be honest, I know if you ask for more, I'm just grateful for all the good things we don't come my way over the last couple of years.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say easy like that, especially with the kind of music where I
What you do?
Exactly.
Because the unique thing, I'd always describe you as one artist when get stable fan base.
Yeah.
Your fan base don't be fan base when they fluctuate. At every given point you sell music, they did here to consumer.
You understand.
I said the newcomer. Like I just try imagine like how they feel for you.
I mean, to be honest, for the most part, I feel very blessed because if not for the kind of fan base where I get, and the kind of music where I get, I don't frustrate.
No,
you understand?
Serious.
So now that whole love way then they give me, now it be like energy for me. Now they keep me going.
Okay, so Johnny Drille, somewhere I read from somewhere they say before you decide on Johnny Drille, so you get Johnny Wheels, Johnny V. I know they sure.
Yes.
So if like say a lot of us, we don't know about that part. Now only Johnny Drille. So at which point you can't decide say now Drille you want take with your Johnny?
You want Drille our girlfriend heart finish.
Serious.
You carry get country, your babe with the sing Johnny Drille. I see that day now.
What do you want me to sing?
No, let me say like, oh my God, oh God.
The boy your phone.
Hey, yeah.
The boy your phone like.
No blame me. I ain't carry on come now. Anyways, I mean, so I've been there, Johnny Vince, Johnny Wills. I think the reason not be say I just decide say I want to stay for Johnny Drille. Okay. I say by the time I come move go Johnny Drille, my music come be like say in the pickup steam. Okay. So it come be like say I can't stuck with Johnny Drille. So if to say my music not start to blow that time, I for don't
look for another one again.
Name again.
So you be like say before you arrive at Johnny Drille, you just experiment with different
names.
You understand?
Names.
You understand?
So right now we know your major breakthrough. Now when you did sign to Mavin, I think they go like. Not really 4 years. No, never 4 years. 2017. 2017. That's about almost 4 years. Yeah, almost 4 years. But before then, those who know you from Edo Bini, will know say man, you know they deliver like back to back sound. Now before Mavin, how music be for you?
Before Mavin, I mean, to be honest, I did make music because I produce my own music. They record.
Yeah, that's one unique thing about your sound, though.
So they always make music, and that. The making of the music, the process, it's always been the fun part for me, So they always, if it put sounds together and make them beautiful and for people to appreciate them, that was always like the motivation for me. So before I joined Mavin, I did enjoy making music, but of course,
how did recession be at that time?
No,
because
you know,
come from. I know.
I tell.
We know they hear love song. If not the we know they listen. So how it be and I believe now even your son go make maybe say, let's sign this guy.
Yes.
So something go don't hold you to that type of sound because I know so many artists when they start like that, but along the line after they try nobody pay attention. Next day they don't move, switch over. So what to make you remember for that saying?
I think again I owe on to the fans. If the fans know continue they love the music, they appreciate them, then I go kind of think of hey I want to switch. Because if nobody they listen to your music, they do your music for yourself. You understand? So so now the fans and for Benin at the time, of course, like you say, not be. People would rather listen to Noah Magbe and Sayomore. You understand?
Yeah.
But the thing I say, not just inside Benin, I get the fan base for Benin, but even outside of Benin, then thank God for social media, for Twitter, Instagram, all these places. People where they order. I know say for Abia State, then they play my music already. For Lagos, for Port Harcourt, Kaduna. They see all these tweets back to back.
Okay,
so I say I get fan base outside.
Talking about fan base now, normally somebody like me now, if as I hear your song, I go feel say Johnny Drille go get plenty female fans.
Yes.
So between
you get to
We need to know now. If you want put them on top percentage, you get which of their male fans plenty pass female or female fans plenty pass male.
We've been very honest. If you want to talk social media statistics, I get more male fans.
Oh wow.
Than female fans.
For real?
Really?
Yes. Make I tell you.
No, may I tell you before you talk. Most of them they pay attention because you don't collect their girlfriend.
They follow me, they monitor me. But I think say so when I see the percentage of male to female fan base from my statistics, I was like, what's in the happen? Because I know say if I do show, the people will go there front,
they scream,
they shout,
and the female fans, the guys go there back, you know that. My theory now says some of these male fans, you know, if you date with your guy friends, you know they want feel like saying the soft guy. You want be the do hard guy. You know, say for this country don't harden everybody. Every guy for this country want to do hard guy.
Even when you know hard.
Even when you know hard, you understand? If we date your friends, instead of you to play Johnny, you slot in DMX. You go slot in DMX or you know Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm a hard guy. You understand? But when you go reach house, you know,
Johnny Drille, you
go slot in Johnny.
No, seriously, I think that's the fact.
And maybe the reason why I feel so you feel say okay, your male fans actually they more now because most of these male fans they still go need Johnny Drille's song to sing to a girl. To take suppose to a girl.
Now sharp. People would really want. I know say maybe over time you don't share the story so far. How Don Jazzy or rather how Mavin take connect with you? How it happen? How that relationship start?
I think like Jazzy with everybody, with most of the artists where he signed, social media they play a very huge role for how they discover people, and I think it was social media as well because I remember the first time when he reached out to me now for Twitter. Then I probably get like 1,000 followers. You understand? Wow. So and randomly, I think after
you the tag, huh?
No, not even the tag I'm like that too.
But your followers they
talk.
Yeah, be like say my followers
send your tweets around.
Exactly. So I know say
because I say they very busy for Twitter.
Exactly, they're very active. I know say na Twitter now reach out to me. And I think I run na Instagram, something like that.
Na Instagram too. Without even tag them too because you share the story when she reach.
So when you first met those people way they inside Mavin like Tiwa, Korede Bello, whoever Ricardo
there at that time when they signed.
When you first meet them, I want to know how you feeling.
I know say the first time I enter Mavin, I see Tiwa that day, see Ricardo, see Korede. I see Dr. Sid and the Prince as well. I know say that's that Benin boy just come from Benin, just enter this place with all these kind of superstars. You understand? You feel like I don't say I try comport.
At any point you don't want to say okay, these whole people went there, don't they sing my type of music? So why this man
get special interest for me?
Like no reason go diarrhea.
No. If anything, I just believe say to be able to ride on that Mavin machine, we don't promote this kind of big talents. To come to try use and promote a different artist. It was going to introduce me to a different audience, a wider market. So for me, that was a strategy.
Okay. For those who don't know your real names and the community where you come from, just more just
Nari community.
John Ikmonwosa Osarabona Igodaro.
Now wow, na full paragraph.
Okay. Naija Benin born.
Yeah, born for Benin. I grew up for Benin.
So this study talk so you've been causing Osaz.
Talk again.
Osaz.
So Osaz now my middle name, my papa name. So I just added.
No, the lady where they have.
Oh, so that she's my cousin.
Because I always hear and say Johnny now
my distant cousin.
Okay,
you know what they try shift now? They try shift come on for the richness of the family because you go down family whole bread for Benin.
You don't carry
Johnny do the try one shit.
I don't know anything they talk shout.
Osaz papa would die.
So apart from your music now, they ask which Naija and international artists you go talk to they shape your kind of music.
I think for internationally probably mostly John Bellion. Because I don't listen to John for like.
Now voice be like the same thing.
I don't think so, but I guess certain aspects of. I mean, if you listen, if you feel like say you and person connect on a certain level, then there must be some certain similarities with the approach to music. Okay. And if anything, I just respect his musicality and how he's very intentional about the sound when they create.
Exactly. I think that same sample you still knock your sound give us right now too.
So John Bellion internationally, I think locally, I mean, I listen to I really like what Brimo's doing a lot.
Okay.
Asha has been such
I have been waiting for that one.
Asha has been such a
huge inspiration for you.
Inspiration, like not just to me, even like to a lot of Nigerians who want to be different. The kind of time when she come out with her music.
To do that kind of music and still be relevant. Especially guys like Kuna, like I did try. I don't know how many artists we really want them to. You get that make if you not get fan base, the fan base is always this stable.
True.
Like they're not they fluctuate all around.
Yeah. On a lighter note now, I want to ask you, because of your female fans, where they always go, oh my god, you don't get any crazy experience with any of your female fans before?
I don't get crazy experience, but I'm not talking for radio.
Are you serious?
We feel fine with it.
But I
know some
tell us now, Johnny. Johnny, tell us at least one.
I don't feel do that kind of thing. But me, I know say. See, I just remember. As you just talk, I just remember.
Just tell us one. Just one out of the previous, the plenty.
So this might be talking on. This one I never even really blow like that. Too.
Okay.
I know say I performed for one event for Benin like that.
Yeah.
And me, I be pastor picking child of God.
Yeah.
Holy
you
and
started from
sanctified.
church, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I know say after I just performed finish, one guy just come with me and say, "About some 2 girls there.
Did they wait for you?
They say if you're ready. They say if you're two. They say if you're ready. But I mean, me, I don't understand that time. So I never know what they have.
Okay, I want to know the end point. You ready for it?
I just tell you, sir, I'm a child of God, holy and sanctified.
No, hold on, all of us are child of God.
No.
So
no.
You not follow them.
I know fit now.
Thank God, because your career for not doing it.
I tell you, Baba.
Too many girls, they'll kill you. Okay, so you get new album art. Yes. Before we fall asleep, we get the privilege to even listen to the some of the song before it would be officially released. And I don't like give you. We are amazed by the type of sound. Not be say we're not amazed by the sound we did drop before, but this body of work, like
Imado.
God bless you. Imado, it show us like on the series. Then again. We can't find out say you go Bristol Plus come back.
No, be smart, you know.
You know that Bristol Plus come back.
You be Don Jazzy self.
You fought John Jazzy when he don't retire to sing. I just said no let Burna Boy with Agbero character fit do one.
I don't bring them back. No,
don't be say these guys not there, but you go hardly hear them on top of another person's song.
True.
Like for a while now, Don Jazzy never read on top of another person. So for her to can't really sing, you know if you sing for Burna Boy, now talk, but your own Don Jazzy sing. So I'm trying to wonder, okay, like. How long it take you to prepare this body of work right now?
I think for most of the songs, maybe the last 1 year plus.
Yeah.
But you get some songs like Sister. Well, I know I write around 2016. We did the album. Okay. I don't feel, but I don't say most of the songs like within the last 1 year and 1 few months.
Yeah. And I know see the record steady because you produce yourself too.
Yeah, I produce my own music.
Like what? Why?
So sometimes sometimes it's difficult to be able to translate ideas within your head.
Especially for your type of sound.
Yes.
On top of that producer.
Exactly, to another person. And for our country, not too many producers do like that.
When you understand type
you understand. Yeah. But for me, and at least for this album, I got open up. So I've worked with more producers like London. I worked with London. I worked with Ultims. I worked with Think, on the project, just to be able to have like a different variety of sounds.
Yeah. Well, first of all, how the acceptance on be for this album? I just want I know already, but I want me to use your mouth. How you don't be for this album? Like how?
To be honest, so far so good. Especially when you consider, say, for the first time ever, Johnny, you find Johnny Drille, trying to be daring, trying to be experimental with the music. You expect some fans will be like, this will be Johnny Drille. I mean, for some of the songs.
Yeah.
But the acceptance has been like 100% so far.
100.
I know say the first day when the song come out, I don't see one single negative comment through all the thousands of comments I was getting that day. Okay. So it just goes to show me say more. People love the album and they appreciate it.
I always like to ask artists we just release album about which part of which track give you the most challenges.
Yeah.
Plus the one where we say everything just goes smoothly for you. So I always ask artists rather. So I want to ask you too, among your album now, how many tracks do you have?
There's 14 songs.
14. So among these 14 songs now, which two challenge you the most and which two they're very easier for you to do?
The one which challenged me to go probably be Sister, which is the second to the last song on the project, I think. That one because I got to record them with a choir. So the whole I got to record with live instruments, with with trumpet, with brass.
Everybody got come the same time.
You understand? So it was that one was pretty expansive. So it took a lot of effort to make it come together. But I think Sister probably most stressful song.
Okay.
I know. So even after you record and to come mix them again, self with all these plenty things going on. Yeah.
So which one can give you? Which one they easy for you among the 14 track? Like as he do, it's a straight.
These years now, Loving is harder because
now you said produce that
no,
one.
because I know produce that one.
Okay.
So now my friend Wilson and produced that one.
Okay.
Anyway, sharp right there. I know say the album day everywhere from all digital stores, from Audio Max to Spotify, Apple Music, and the rest. Then Abi.
Yes.
Certainly, any of the song video to any of the song that come outside.
Yeah. So the as a matter of fact, the brand new music video for Loving Is Harder just dropped 2 days ago.
2 days ago, okay.
Yeah, so
that one they go see
on YouTube. It's on YouTube, so just go search Johnny Drille. Okay. If I want to search Johnny Drille, you'll see him. Loving Is Harder, brand new.
So who direct and produced that one?
That one it was shot in Los Angeles. It was directed by Bobby Hannaford. Yeah, you go love.
Let me see. Go don't when I shoot the video. It's not
yeah, you don't. We shot that like about 2 months ago.
2 months ago.
Okay, now COVID-19 they look at.
No, I see the travel shot. You know, say their passport different from every other person.
So on a lighter note again, Johnny Drille, are you in a relationship?
I'm in a very committed relationship
that's
with my music.
No, I know say not deal with you.
I don't almost talk with my music.
No, this is not what you ask. Johnny Drille, you did straightforward.
Yeah, straightforward, yes. Definitely.
You did straight, right?
Definitely straightforward.
Okay, because you know why they ask this question? Most of you when they sing love song parts for Bodo, you belong Nigeria.
Like Sam Smith, Abi.
Yes, Sam Smith and the rest. The day, they get their own type of. You straight.
I too straight.
So why you never? When was the last relationship? More put it like that.
Last relationship. You mean with my music? My last relationship with my music is still going on.
Calm down, Johnny.
Still very much going on strong.
Forget say your papa na pastor. Forget. When was your last relationship?
My last relationship.
I don't, babe. I mean, a Lagos babe. So how had the experience with Lagos babes done before you?
With Lagos babes?
Yeah.
I never really experienced Lagos babes like that.
Okay.
If anything, I don't go out on like dates.
Yeah.
But, I never really, besides dating.
But all those invite country at my house, all those.
No, I know they cheap for anybody's house. I know if you trap myself. I don't put myself for.
Okay,
so Samson position.
Then they can't cheap for your house then.
No. I know the except you be special one.
Special one, yeah.
So now that
special one. I'm gonna get where they go last.
Oh, the special one.
Yeah.
The special
one. Music is the most special thing to me.
Wait till they happen. I don't want to break all those in fan when they don't hope to become them. So if they try to on the safe side right now.
You know the reason why I ask
you say no say we no fit answer this kind of question. I fit tell you off air, but you just don't talk about it.
But you never get baby. Yeah,
no, you mean like get
baby mama
issues
and all that.
But you plan to go that direction. You plan to settle down, set up a family for having children.
I go marry proper.
Proper. Your papa go to call you like Johnny. Don't forget where you're coming from.
You understand how they be now? Then they call me, remind me every day.
So like that, the relationship where you want to talk off air now.
Yeah.
How many times did they use sweet words? Because if somebody like
you say the relationship where I want to talk off air.
Yes, when you don't want to talk.
No, because we don't already assume say get relationship. Like you know
they assume.
The one when you get off air now. If now me I go now you go there. You use song wake me up. You use song put food for
no. You dey pay salary now. No, because he want date you.
Sometimes I feel like say some people. I feel like say some people because of the kind of music where they feel like if I just wake up now love I go wake up with love. I go chop love. I go sleep with love. Say like if I dey sleep now Roses stay my bed. I don't understand. I mean normal human being too.
As you dey cook, I love this.
I just tired.
They try to make you lunch. You go sing. You know, you go just look for one sweet tone. Say, baby, continue turning the amala.
This is not the problem. This is not the problem with Nigerian women. Their expectation they always too high. Once you just do one lane too much.
Baba, hey.
I see why you never say girlfriend. Anyway, that's right now. But now we know say this year don't run out already. You don't give us album, so certainly I know say you know they plan anybody of work at this moment. Certainly maybe to promote this album.
We have a deluxe version of the album.
Oh, for real?
But that'll be later on. Yeah.
Oh, this year or next year?
We never know. Most likely.
Okay, like a top.
Made this album. Make
the chop and first.
Chop and finish. Made the digest.
Okay,
first.
so plans day for like maybe top because everywhere don't open right
now.
And all that. Concert.
So I get my yearly show series where I do for Lagos and Abuja.
Last
year we do Lagos Abuja Benin. It's called Johnny's Room live.
Lagos
edition we had.
Naija host that one.
The one for Abuja.
Naija man, he took him like now.
You know, the first edition for Lagos we had over 3,000 people.
Yeah.
Second edition was about the same number. You
so that's it to go happen this year?
Will they bring them back this year?
Wow, mad though. But dates never they fix
never they get the boat towards the end of the year, like December.
December time. That means we get event to attend.
Drille. Men are bringing fights. Come here. We know they shout.
We'll send them. No,
that one, no man. They don't bring. I'll go off light. I'll up the gen.
So apart from singing, producing, directing, now waiting, I would just give us 2 things. Maybe say your fans don't know about you.
So
just 2.
I did very open for my social media, so people pretty much know a lot of the things. People pretty much know a lot of things where I they do. You understand? But for the people we don't know, and I don't mention before, my papa not pastor, but my parents not pastor, so I've been literally pastor picking. I think another thing I say, I be introverted person.
You know they go out.
I go out when I need to go out, but I
But you know they club.
I dey go club once in a while.
Except they invite.
They even invite me. But when we say I will just wake up.
Go club.
I will just say today I want to go club. wait till you know they whisper to each other.
Now wait till I want to ask. So they don't invite you come. You know say your music will go for all those strip club. You don't go strip club.
Strip
before.
club. Yeah. I never go strip club before. But I know say person don't send me video of when they play my song. When they play my song for strip club.
And you watch the video.
I watch. No, but not be say calm down. What can I calm down? Calm down. The video not show anything. The video just there.
So how you cut those in a strip club? If you don't show anything.
I know. Maybe not before them
you
do them cut the video or them chop them before them send and give me. No worry. I be child of God, holy and sanctified. Holy and sanctified.
Oh my goodness! All right, for those people who don't know where they feel stream your songs from, if you tell us the digital platforms where your album they actually.
Yes. So what it on all platforms as we speak. It on Apple Music, on Spotify, on Deezer, on YouTube, on Audio Mac, just your favorite platforms. Just go stream them. Just shall not make sure say you go one of those websites where something.com.
We no longer download songs.
So make us stream the album. Title of the album is Before We Fall Asleep. It's out everywhere. Stream the album.
Okay. Also, before you come out, I go like make you give words of encouragement or advice to those when they look up to you right now, because whether you like or not, you be motivation and inspiration to a whole lot of other youngies out there. But before that, I noticed say your dress sense all change.
No, because the title of this album
now you call it wear
now you make
I wear pajama everywhere they go now pajama.
So anyway, you're rich now, you don't
swag.
sleep.
Baba, see as I did like this, I be sleeping. As I did like the weather self never they help matter.
Don't be lie. Anyway, so your words of
advice. To everybody out there, I know say it is very easy for people to get lost in the whole universe. So many people, especially for this our Lagos where more people for everywhere, to feel like say matter for the scheme of things. But I need you to know say more. Even as you get purpose, you get reason why God put you for this world, and if you not become superstar, if you not become Buhari or
somebody want to become Buhari.
I just say if you not become president of Nigeria, if you not become governor of Lagos, but you get purpose with God give you, if you your fulfillment, the fulfillment where you go feel that happiness, that satisfaction where you look for. You will go find out when you're down in that place, that lane.
For the right lane.
Exactly.
Thank you very much. And also your social media handle now.
Social media now at Johnny Drille, JOHNNYDROILLE at Johnny Drille on all social medias.
Why you not they do a side collabo?
I do collabo now. You don't listen to for the album. I feature
not your own album. People you.
Oh no, they come. No, very soon you go to see them. But they do.
But you do something with South Sultan and
I do something with South Sultan. I don't do something with Vectors. I don't do with Waje.
Yeah.
You get somewhere I don't do. Get some surprise ones.
You do with Niniola.
I do with Niniola.
She know
that.
Oh God, that song is.
But many more they come. Many more
they come. But you do
open
for collabo too.
Absolutely.
How much do you do? How many figures do you collect?
For collabo,
I
want to collect money for collabo now. Now, if I like the song, if I feel like say I want there on the song,
maybe you go allow you not collect money for collabo.
No, the thing I say we go sign split sheets, of course.
Okay, certainly royalty.
Exactly. So, but make you pay me, make I there on the song. I mean, I know say people they do just one time payment.
You that one not the benefit artists. Now most of them don't know. They don't know that long one. They 20 years they collect your.
You understand?
But we never ask how do your relationship with Mavin be? Because if you want artists, we know some artists after 2 years, 3 years, they want rock. You just
I don't date Mavin for like 4 years now. About 5 years now.
So how many years do you actually sign?
I know if you talk the details for online.
For like 5, Abi.
You know,
say no if you talk.
I said if you talk.
You see one put on for your mouth. That why you do?
No, I want to know when we go to renew.
You know, serious.
You cannot say Johnny Drille no one come up for Mavin.
See, he did try to get worse from
no
my
mouth. No minor.
He did try squeeze him. But so far so good. My Mavin journey has been amazing. I mean, big shout out to the it's an amazing team.
And the whole team,
the whole team is very structured. And
I like
guess
that's one thing for that record label.
Exactly.
If you don't come Mavin, you know see the structure here for not be here. Of course, many record labels do. But when you're talking about the structure and the intentionality with everything, Mavin.
Yeah, big shout out to John Zazie and every other team.
What do you call him again? Don Zazie.
He says John Zazie.
Don't say Don Zazie.
Okay, thank you very much, Johnny Drille. Wish you more success on top of the album, more streaming numbers on top of this album, and more albums to come.
Amen.
As you continue to consume your music as time they go. We'll pass more break right now. If I more of do some commercial, we'll come back. We'll knock you one of the single.
Odo. Johnny Drille. Wait, no be Odo. Odo.
Nagana word, have you?
Johnny Drille is it Nagana word?
Odo Nagana word.
What be the meaning though?
Although I think it means my love, something like that.
Okay.
Now the time when you go Ghana and record this song.
No.
You want to? I think I got the special person there.
Yeah.
You get.
I mean, you like them in bogus form.
I make a wrap up this interview. Don't do. Make a wrap up this interview.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.